bro. How you doing, man?
Hello, bro. I'm doing great for today.
I'm
How about you?
also doing great. Thank you for asking me, my friend. Which country are you from? May I know, please?
Yeah, of course. You can know about it. I'm from Indonesia. Do you know Indonesia?
Yeah, definitely. I know Indonesia. I have met so many Indonesian people, and after a long days later, I meet Indonesian people
Yeah,
with
yeah,
you
me too.
guys, my friend. So, which part are you from in Indonesia?
I'm from Jakarta, if you know
Jakarta,
Jakarta.
yes, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. I met a people probably 1 years back, probably 1.5 years back. My
Oh,
friend also came from Indonesia, Jakarta. You know?
oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. So how about you? Where are you from?
Yes, my day is going very well, and I am here because of practicing my English language with the different countries people, and I found a really very great platform where I can practice my English language with different countries people. But before that, I was using another one where just kind of Indian people, sometimes Pakistani
Mm,
people, and some other countries people I could only meet. But I wanna meet people from around the world. Yep, and I love it
yeah,
to connecting
yeah.
with new people.
I agree with that. That's completely true.
Yeah. So what about you?
Like my reason, you mean?
Yes, your reasons and what do you do for living? Let me know about yourself a little bit because we are going to meet here for the very first time.
Hmm. Okay, actually, like for me, like I have a plan to study abroad. So yeah, that's why I need to improve my English. Like my first reason why I joined episode in like 5 months ago, it was because I wanted to take IELTS test. So that was like my first reason.
Okay, that
So
sounds good. So have you bought IELTS book?
yeah, yeah, that's the first reason. And now, like what I do for living, like I'm working. Like I graduated 2 years ago from university, and now I'm working.
Well, that sounds great. So what was your major at university and have you completed your bachelor degree?
Yes, my major was
So
environmental
probably you
science.
are going to abroad country for getting your master's program or something like that. Am I right?
Yes, yes, that's my goals.
Okay, that
Like,
sounds
but
great. So which country do you wanna go in the future?
United Kingdom, maybe.
United Kingdom. That sounds good. And here in Bangladesh as well, the place where I'm living currently, here probably more than 50% people are living in London because uh, Bangladeshi people knows about the city by London city, because so many people from here they are staying at London, and they told me nowadays managing living expenses, accommodation, and rent is very tough in London.
Yeah,
So
of course.
yes, so probably that would be better for you if you try to do something from your own country. And yes, because whenever you go abroad country, probably you have to make a big effort to survive there, or probably you have to stay long way from your family or something like that. But you must have to survive a lot there.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Actually,
probably
I
that would
agree
be
with
better
that.
for you if you try to do something for your country and in your country as well.
Like, like even though now I live alone, I'm not living in my home. Like my home is far away from the place that I'm living now. So I've been living like alone for 5 years maybe since I graduated from high school.
Okay, so
So
probably that would be quite easy for you to stay in UK or some other
yeah,
countries beside
I
your
mean, like,
country because
I don't have
you are
problem
situated
about
with that
leaving home.
situation.
Mhm. Because I've been doing this for such a long time. Like when I was in university, I studied in different city,
Yes,
which was
that
quite
sounds
far
great.
away
But
from my home.
whenever you staying in your own country, probably that would be quite easy for you to move your university or your hostel from to your home. But whenever you will stay the different countries, probably that would be very hard for you to or return back to your home to meet with your family members or something like that. So you told me that you are preparing yourself for your IELTS exam. So how many days have you been preparing yourself for IELTS exam?
Like now I'm preparing for scholarship because I know I can't afford it. Like it's really expensive, like in the UK. Even though I'm working right now, I have money, but I don't have that much to cover my life or my tuition fee for that. So that's why I need scholarship.
Yes.
So
So do you share with mine one thing, please? That how can I get a scholarship in UK?
it's like the scholarship from like my country government.
Probably is scholarship is responsible for your country government, right?
It's yeah, it's provided from the Ministry of Finance in my country. They provide it for
Ministry of
Indonesian.
Indonesia, right?
Yeah, and it's only for Indonesia.
Wow, that sounds good. But I don't know. So many people is also going to abroad country for their higher study, and they getting scholarships as well from my country's people. But I don't actually know what is the way to getting scholarship in abroad country. Even though my English language, I can speak and I can able to communicating with different kinds of people with English language, but if I tried hard, probably I'm going to get a good band score in my IELTS exam. So probably I'd
Mm-mm.
say I have also a chance to go abroad country to getting my higher study or something like that because I am still young. I have a lots
Yeah,
of opportunity
you
still.
have an opportunity if you try, but if you don't try, you're not gonna get it. Like
Yes,
that's
I have to
how the
try it.
people get it. Mm.
But yes, I must have to try. Otherwise, I am not going to get it.
Yeah, that's true. You
Yes.
have to find like
So when do you decided to take your IELTS exam?
I've taken it like 2 months ago.
Have you taken it 2 months ago?
Yes,
Wow,
yes.
that sounds great. So did you take any course about IELTS exam or something like that?
No, no. I did my